onto the calculator section. I can't get the calculator emulator to work on here, so I'll do what I can and then have to record the rest of it later, I think. So fg minus 5. So this indicates that we're putting -5 into the function g first. So g of -5 is -5 taken by 1, which is -6. We're then putting this answer, -6, into function f. So we're doing f of -6. So it's 2 times -6 plus 3. Obviously you can put all this in your calculator. So it's -12 plus 3, which is -9. We need to find x when fx equals gx. So 2x plus 3 equals x minus 1. Rearranging to have x's on one side and numbers on the other, we have x equals -4. Find x when fx equals hx. So the fact that it says here, give your answer correct to 2 decimal places, indicates we'll be using the polysmalt feature here to do poly root finder. So we've got 2x plus 3 equals x squared plus 1. Now, we can see an x squared, so we know it's quadratic, so we know how to rearrange to equal 0. I'm going to make this side 0, so I keep my x squared as a positive one. So x squared minus 2x minus 2. Because 1 take away 3 is -2. So here we've got a is, whoops, it's not negative at all. A is 1, B is -2, C is -2. I did say, always a good idea to show the formula even though you're using your calculator to work it out. So we would have minus b, so that would make it +2, plus or minus the square root of -2 squared minus 4 times 1 times -2 over 2 times 1. You can leave it like that if you wanted to go ahead and work those, keep going without the calculator using polysmalt. Obviously you can do, but then you need to find out what 2 solutions they are. Oh, I can't. Okay. Okay, so I'll have to find out what these 2 answers are later. So it then says find f minus 1x, so it indicates the inverse. So we've got y equals 2x plus 3. Switch the x and y and rearrange to make y the subject. Find 1 over fx plus 1 over gx in terms of x. Give your answers as a single fraction. So we've got 1 over 2x plus 3 plus 1 over x minus 1. Okay, so we're writing them as a single fraction. We're adding algebraic fractions, which means our denominator has to be the same. So our denominator for both of them is going to be 2x plus 3 bracket x plus x minus 1. And to the first fraction, to get that denominator, we'd have had to multiply top and bottom by x minus 1. And so 1 times x minus 1 is just x minus 1. And to multiply this fraction, to make sure that that's the denominator, we would have multiplied by 2x plus 3. So denominator can stay as 2 brackets. It doesn't have to be expanded out. And on the top now we have x plus 2x, which is 3x, and -1 plus 3, which is +2. And there we go. Right, I'm going to stop there and I will come back to you when I have a calculator working.